In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8, and today I would like to know how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app that's already on your Samsung, and before creating your recording, tap on those three lines at the top left corner. Those. This way you will be able to access the gear icon and manage all of those options however you want to and need to before your recording. Once you finish, go back and tap on the red button at the bottom to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use middle button. To discard it right away, click on this one at the top left corner and select discard. If you want to add a bookmark, click on this one on the left. To end it and save it though, click on this square on the right, name it and hit save. But to listen to it before finishing it, pause it and swipe it on the track. Then use play button on the left. If you decided you want to fix some section, correct it, you can record overlay it by picking this moment. Let's go with this one and using red button to record over it. Then to go back to continuing your recording, swipe it to the end and continue like you normally would. Anyway, let's name it and save it. As you can see, my recording is here. To play it, I need to click on it. And now my favorite part, because to manage it, we can use all of those options. We can add bookmarks while listening, skip it each way, in this case 5 seconds because it's not very long. Tap on this button at the bottom right corner and use those options, like speed,
the bookmark, click on this one on the left.
Skip silences, you can enable or disable it like that. Repeat. Over here you need to pick a section you want to repeat. This way. And bookmarks. By tapping on bookmarks you can manage all of yours. Like that. Now, don't forget to click on those three dots at the top right corner to also move your recording to secure folder, share it, set it up as your favorite by tapping on this star, delete it or edit it. To edit, use scissors icon. Now, pick a section, I will go with this one, and decide if you want to delete this section here or everything except for this section by clicking on scissors icon and tapping on one of those options. Then hit save at the top right corner. Over here you need to decide if you want to misclick, I will show you again. Do it like that. Okay, here you need to decide if you want to save it as new recording or replace the original. I always go with save as new just in case. You can always manage your recordings on the list by holding one, selecting all of those you want to manage and using those options at the bottom like delete. If you deleted any recording by mistake, you can tap on the same three lines as before and check out all of those options. As you can see, we have all recordings, voice recordings, interviews, favorites, other recordings, so all of your audio files from your phone, and my favorite, which is recycle bin, where you can decide if you want to delete any recording permanently or restore it if you deleted it by mistake. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!